Hello students, welcome in our second session of our lesson Fair Play. In a previous session, we have seen that Algu Chowdhury and Jumman were two close friends. Jumman had his aunt, but he was not taking care of herself, and therefore his aunt went to the panchayat, where she elected Algu Chowdhury as a main panch, and she asked for a justice. As Algu was very loyal, he gave the decision in favor of Jumman's aunt, not in the favor of Jumman. And therefore, the distance came between the two best friends. And then after, let's see what happened in the next. So, I am going to start part 3 of the lesson. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chowdhury found himself in a tight spot. One of his fine pair of bullock died, and he sold the other to Sanju Sahu, a car driver of village. Look, now what happened? After that panchayat incident, the ill luck would follow the Algu Chowdhury, and what happened? His pair of bullocks died. He sold the other to the Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of that village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in months' time, and there was a bond between Sanju Sahu and Algu Chowdhury that Sahu would pay the price of bullock in a months. Then what happened? It so happened that bullock died within a month, and as because of some issues, that bullock which was sold to the Sahu was died. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of money he hadn't yet paid, and later Algu reminded Sahu about the money which he hadn't yet paid. Sahu got very annoyed. He annoyed means angry. So he got very annoyed. I can't pay you a penny for wretch beast you sold me. Here, Sahu got very annoyed and he told that I wouldn't pay you a penny. Penny means money, any single money for the wretch. Wretch means worst beast. Beast means it is a kind of variety of that bullock. So, worst beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. And he told him that that bullock brought nothing but ruin only. I have bullock, use it for a month and then return it to me. So as you gave me the bullock, I will give you my bullock in return. You use it and return it to me again. So no money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat, and then Algu also decided to refer or went to the panchayat office for the pure justice. For a second time in a few months, preparation for holding the panchayat were made. The first time, Jumman's aunt went there. Again, Algu went for the justice in panchayat, and both the parties started the meeting, people seeking their support. And then after, let's see what happened. The panchayat was held under old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the panch is the voice of God. So let Sahu nominate the head panch or main panch. I will abide by his decision. And then he argued that let the Sahu nominate the head panch. I will be abide the decision, means I will agree with all the decision. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. And then only Sahu make a trick. Sahu made the trick that he proposed the name of Jumman as a head punch. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. But what could he do? But he was promised to abide all the decision. Therefore, what he could do. Then, the moment Juman became head punch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. As Juman became a head punch, he suddenly realized the responsibility of judge and dignity of the office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought, and then he thought about that. Could he take revenge to the Algu Chaudhary? No, he must not. Look at that picture. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice, he decided. Then he decided he would not be allow his personal feelings to come in the way of justice. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Juman stood up and announced, then it is the time of Juman to give the decision or give the justice. It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu brought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. When Sahu bought that bullock from Algu Chaudhary, it wasn't be disabled or it hasn't be any disease, and therefore he has to pay price of bullock to the Algu Chaudhary. The death of bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Then Juman said that the death of bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu could not contain his feeling. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, victory to the panchayat, this is justice. God lives in the voice of the panchayat. Algu became very happy to hear it that victory of the panchayat, the decision, the justice is in his favor, and therefore he said that God lives in the voice of the panchayat. Soon after, Juman came to Algu, embarrassed him and said, since the last panchayat I had become your enemy. Today I realize what it means to be a panch. A panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth of friendship or enmity. Deviate means more move away from or leave. Means nobody can leave from the path of justice and truth when somebody was at the position of punch. Algu embarrassed his friends and wept, and his tears washed away till the dirt of misunderstanding between them. And then Algu became very emotional. He started crying because he was very surprised of decision of his friend. Okay, students, so this is the story of two close friends written by Premchand. Okay, students, we will see all question and answer in our third session. Thank you.